He always eats my shoes and he better buy me a new pair or I'm going to dress him up as a pheasant and get him.
Oh my god, you're cruel!
He's always being bad. Why can't he just be good for once?
I know! Why are you always
Milo.
mad about him?
It's always about Milo. Milo.
Milo's a good dog. It's always Milo this, Milo that, Milo this.
True.
Because he's a pain
A
in
really
the ass,
good
that's
little
how.
eight-month-old
And he does everything wrong.
puppy. Lovely.
Okay?
Milo is
Milo.
Milo.
Smell.
I agree with Granny.
Oh.
Milo's a good dog.
That'll be a first.
Do you want to see Milo?
It's Milo.
He's a super. Hi, Milo. And this is Kia.
Kiki.
And this is Mum.
Milo.
Mommy.
And here's Milo beside Mama. Milo.
Here's Granny.
Hello.
Here's Mum again. Here's Kenzie with my Mohawk. Remember, I have this hairstyle. Boop, boop, boop.
I don't have a mohawk.
Make
I have
funny
a-
face.
You've got a lady hawk.
I have a hawk.
I've got Mohawk.
Is that on my nose there?
You definitely don't have a Mohawk.
Got your mum a gazelle on her nose there.
You see the iPad?
On my nose.
Now you see me again. We're like 1 minute and 40 seconds in. But
It's Granny with the spot.
what should we do?
Pop my pops.
Oh wait, I've got a good idea.
I'm just these.
Cheese, grape, chocolate, sausage.
We're very British. We love our cups of tea.
We love our glasses of wine. Happy New Year.
We love our tins of beer. Beer.
He's home in disguise. He loves beer. Well, it's not Duff beer.
But it's not just beer. What is it then?
British.
British beer.
British.
British beer. Hello.
That's wine.
That's wine. That's wine. Do you not know the difference between your beers and your wines? I think you're havering.
Don't drink. It's not good. Don't drink wine.
Yeah, I like wine. My wine.
We're getting carried away now,
Get
aren't
lots of
we?
wine. It's good for you.
No, it's not good for you. Drink water. Water's better. Do you want to know the junk they put into this stuff? Do you know the junk they put into this stuff?
What was the stuff?
Yeah. Do you know what they put into you? There's sulfides in there. There's sulfides in there, Granny.
Really?
Sulfides.
What's that?
That's like a gas, isn't it?
Yes. Is it?
It's not good.
Oh, is that
So
like
remember when you ever drink wine, sulfides are in it. Sulfides. I'm not drinking this because I'm too young, underage, but there's sulfides in this. Wait, where did I get sulfides? This receipt contains sulfides. Don't ever drink. Drink cups of tea for an alternate, or water. Do you agree with that, Mum?
I agree, I like water. I'll be back in the water tomorrow. Go away.
I think we're getting a bit carried away now, aren't we? Now let's go back to normal. Hey, cracker.
Cheese, grape, chocolate, cheese. Cheese, grape, chocolate, sausage. Cheese,
Sausage.
grape, chocolate. I can
Sausage!
see your thing. Cheese, grape, chocolate, sausage. Cheese, grape, chocolate, cheese.
I need to wash my hands. You carry on with the show, Mum.
What am I meant to do?
You better think your family or something. Hi. So I face it then.
Oh.
Cheese, grape, sausage, potatoes.
You're going to get video with Ian. You're getting video. Ian. Kenzie's doing the worm. Kenzie's doing the worm. Yeah. Oh no, that's gonna smell.
Hungry. You're stuffing them in there like there's no tomorrow.
Dirty magic.
No, didn't have
3, 2, 1.
Boom! Now they're all gone. Stop the video.
Oh, you want to stop?